everyone! Welcome to the virtual tour of SUS America's booth at the Assembly Show 2019. Our main attraction was the overpass. The right side uses SUS's power unit to lift the yellow tote weighing 8.8 pounds. Sensors along the way signal the power unit to lower once the tote is clear. The left side of the structure is completely gravity-driven. The tote auto-dispenses onto the cart and counterweights raise the table back to its original position. The horizontal turn shooter improves a simple flow rack. The foot pedal activates the intermittent stopper, allowing the totes to flow smoothly around the counterweighted corner. A new addition to our Assembly Show display was the SIO controller. Connecting input devices and output devices, this area displayed the simple programming that connects switches, sensors, and buttons to lights, buzzers, and relays. SUS's Square Frame series drew a lot of attention for its sturdy, simple design. Here, the table is outfitted with a 2-compartment dust cover. This made it an ideal display for the miniature AGV transfer and miniature flip-flop shooter training units, as well as samples showing the compatibility between the Square Frame and Green Frame series.